Hello everyone. Today we will study a new subject of ncert class 6 geography. The first chapter is Earth and the solar system. So let's start. Friends, when we go outside our house and look at in the sky in the night, what we see? We see that the whole sky is full of small shiny objects. Some objects are bright and others dim. Friends, what is the reason behind it that these objects are not visible in the day? The reason is that the sunlight is more brighter than these objects. Due to this reason, we are not able to see these objects in the day. Friends, the sun, moon and all those objects shining in the sky are called celestial bodies. These celestial bodies are big, hot and made of gases. Friends, those celestial bodies which have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount, these bodies are called stars. Friend, in our solar system, sun is the ultimate source of light and energy, and it is the only living star in our solar system. Friends, stars looks very small because they are much far away from us. Some are at a small distance and some are too far away. Thus, they look small and big in size. Friends, various patterns in the sky formed by different group of stars are called constellation. For example, Ursa Major, that is Saptarishi, means group of 7 stars. Friends, in ancient time, people used to determine the direction during the night with the help of these stars. Friends, the North Star indicates the north direction. This North Star is also known as Pole Star. Friends, this Pole Star always remains at the same position. We find this star with the help of Saptarishi by joining an imaginary line. Friends, celestial bodies which do not have their own light and lit by another star are called planet. Friend, the word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderer. It means any object which follow or which moves around any fixed object is known as planet. Friends, those bodies which move around the planet are called satellite. Satellites don't have their own light. For example, the natural satellite of Earth is Moon. Friends, let me know the solar system. Friends, the Sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies such as asteroids, meteorites forms a solar system and Sun as a head. Friends, in the word solar, sol mean in Roman mythology is known as sun-locked. Solar means related to sun, and the family of sun is called solar system. Friends, in our solar system there are 8 planets. Friends, in our solar system we have to know all about the things. The first one is sun. So sun is in the center of solar system. It is made of extremely hot gases. Friends, sun is the ultimate source of light and heat. It is too far away. Friends, the sun is approximately 15 crore, means 150 million kilometer away from our earth. So due to this reason we don't feel more heat. Friends, due to pulling force of sun, the solar system is in binding position. If this pulling force is absent, the solar system can't be managed. Friends, let me know about planets. Friends, there are 8 planets in our solar system. In order to distance from the sun is given as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Their moving path is fixed. These paths are elongated and known as orbit. Orbit means that path in which any planet moves around the sun. Friends, we know that Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes only 88 days to complete one round of the sun. Friends, Venus is considered Earth's twins. The reason is that all kinds of situations such as size, diameter, weight, it means many kinds of similarities are found such as in Earth found. Friends, in August 2006, Pluto was considered to be dwarf planet and it was excluded from the solar system family. Friends, let me know about the Earth. Friends, Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun and in size it is the fifth largest planet in size. Friends, it is flattered at pole, so its shape is described as geoid. Friends, the Earth is unique planet in our solar system. It is the only planet in our solar system which keeps life. Friends, the Earth has water, air, life supporting gases also. Friends, 2/3 of its surface is covered with water, so that is why due to this reason the Earth is also called blue planet. Friends, let me know about the natural satellite of Earth, that is Moon. Friends, the Earth has only one satellite. Its diameter is 1/4 of the Earth. Friends, the distance of Earth and the Moon is approximately 3,84,000 kilometers. Due to this small distance, the Moon looks very big. Friends, the Moon completes one round of the Earth in 27 days. Friends, it does not have any favorable condition of life. It means the Moon is lifeless satellite. Friends, let me know that who was the first person to reach at the Moon. That is, the first person was Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of Moon in July 21, 1969. Friends, here are some notes. There are two types of satellites. The first one is natural satellite and the second one is man-made satellite. So, natural satellite. Natural satellites are those celestial bodies that moves around the planet in the same way as the planets moves around the sun. Friends, here is important that natural satellites are made of by the same process as other planets are made of. The second one is man-made satellite. Friends, man-made satellites are designed by the scientists to gather various type of informations about the universe for the communication. Friends, we know very well that these satellites are carried by strong rocket and placed in the orbit. For example, ncert, irs, edusat, etc. Friends, let me know about the asteroids. Friends, we know that the universe is full of millions of objects. So there are numbers of teeny bodies which also moves around the sun, and these bodies are called asteroids. Friends, normally asteroids are found between orbits of Mars and Jupiter. It means between orbit of Mars and Jupiter there is a found of asteroid belt. So another is meteorites. Friends, small pieces of rocks when moves around the sun are called meteorites. Friends, sometimes we look that they tend to drop upon the earth. Due to this reason, the friction available in the air generated and it make heat to the meteorite, and due to this heat the meteorites burns. Our solar system is a small part of galaxy. This galaxy contains millions of stars and cloud of dust and gases. The galaxy in which our solar system is found is also known as Milky Way, that is Akash Ganga. Friends, here two figures are given there. The first figure we look that there is representation of circles. The first circle represents the universe. The second circle represents the galaxy. The third circle represents the solar system. And the fourth circle represents the earth. Friends, what we gather from it? We know that the universe is too big and Milky Way are the small part of the universe. In the same way, thousands of solar systems are found in one Milky Way. In the same way, many kinds of Earth-like planets are found in one solar system. Friends, in the second figure, we know that there is a huge collection of stars looking in dark color, that is Akash Ganga. So here the topic is over. I hope you like the video. Thank you.